I've invested $5,000 in a business and helped them to upgrade their equipment as well as helping them grow their client base. I started making an easy $100 per week in dividends. The more value you can offer, the more you'll get in return, as you aren't taking money out of the entrepreneur's pocket, but instead helping to grow the pot of money for everyone. Idea 5, become an affiliate marketer. I remember when recently a big bank had a promotion. My son's girlfriend sent a sign-up link to all of her friends, letting them know they downloaded the app, they could get a free $10. She was shocked by the result. Every few hours, a new friend had signed up and thanked her for the free cash. Before she knew it, 30 of her friends had signed up using the link and she'd hit the limit. But she wasn't just doing this out of the kindness of her heart, although she is a kind girl. She also got paid $10 for everyone that signed up, meaning that day she made $300 just sitting in the bed texting a few people. Just imagine if there wasn't a limit, she could have made far more. This is essentially affiliate marketing, but real affiliate marketing doesn't have a limit, so you can make as much as you want. It's considered to be one of the simplest yet most profitable ways to make money online, as it doesn't require you to have any extra skills or previous experience. All that's typically needed as an affiliate is a passion for your niche and strong persuasive skills. Think about all the products you love and maybe even use on a daily basis. The chances are that other people will also like those products, and you are the perfect person to sell it to them. Most big companies have an affiliate scheme, so all you have to do is go onto their website and do a bit of digging. If you can't find anything, then it's worth reaching out to them directly and asking if you can become an affiliate. There are also websites like impact.com where you can see a lot of different affiliate schemes that you can easily sign up for. Now you have to make some noise. You can do this by writing blogs, using social media, or posting reviews. You may have already seen this done on TikTok with those videos about Amazon products you need to buy. Every time someone buys through your link, you as the affiliate marketer receive a kickback and make a profit. But bear in mind, if you're doing reviews, you should actually purchase the product and test it. Using it over a period of time and reporting your findings will make sure your content is useful and genuine. One thing to keep in mind before you start affiliate marketing is to consider how you can provide value to your audience that exceeds what you get in return. So how much time does affiliate marketing take?